we'll be making Southwestern breakfast potatoes. We'll be using red and green bell peppers, russet potato, onion, salt and pepper, and some cayenne pepper. In a non-stick skillet, add a little oil. Of course, I like to use avocado oil. And on medium heat. Dice your red and green bell peppers and onion. Potatoes diced with skin, cooking on medium heat. Cooking bacon on medium heat. Brown on all sides. Bacon's done. Drain on paper towel. Potatoes browning on all sides. Cook potatoes till tender. You can poke with a fork to check to see if they're tender. After your potatoes are tender, add your bell peppers and onions. Reduce heat to medium low so you don't burn your vegetables. A little cayenne added and salt and pepper to taste. Southwestern breakfast potatoes. Cooking a fried egg. In a non-stick pan, add a little oil. I use avocado oil on medium heat. Frying an egg. This will be over medium. Once all the white around the yolk is there, you can flip the egg over for a few seconds. Egg ready to flip. Egg flipped. Just keep it flipped for a few seconds. Egg over medium. Salt and pepper to taste. Southwest breakfast potatoes ready to serve. Southwest breakfast potatoes with an egg and bacon and toast and orange juice ready to eat. Enjoy.